standard tuning with no capo. The chords for this song are G6 for 2 bars, F, add 9 for 1 bar, and a C for 1 bar. The rhythm for the chords does vary throughout the song, so I'm going to show you kind of an approximation of the rhythm here. So we're going to start off on this G6 chord. Got thumb over the top on the 3rd fret of the low E string, 3rd finger 5th fret of the D, open G, 1st finger 3rd fret of the B, open high E string. To start off with, we're going to aim for the bass strings and play 1 and 2, and then we're going to play the and on the high strings. We'll then hit the high strings again, bass, high, 1 and 2, and 4, and. In the second bar, we're going to play the bass strings twice, followed by the high strings, and then we'll do exactly the same again. 2 bass, 1 high. So on the second bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the 2 bars back to back, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 4 and. Go down to the F add 9 chord. It's pretty much the same voicing as we've just had for the G6, although we are going to add the 2nd finger at the 2nd fret of the G and the pinky finger at the high E string at the 3rd fret. That gives us our F add 9 chord. For the rhythm here, we've got 3 bass drums, followed by high and then 3 high. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we'll go to our C chord, thumb over the top on the 8th fret, 3rd finger 10th fret of the D, 2nd finger 9th fret of the G, and 1st finger 8th fret of the B, and we're just going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and let that last note ring out there. So 1 and 2 and 3 and. So the whole thing slowly, G6. Slide down to the F add 9 shape. The C shape, and then we go to my favourite riff in the song, this little picking riff. So we've got the pinky finger at the 6th fret of the low E string, 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the A string, and the 1st finger on the 3rd fret of the D string. We're going to pick E, A, G, D. Then we're going to drop down to the 2nd finger at the 4th fret of the low E string, same picking, E, A, G, D. So then we go down to the 3rd fret on the low E, 5th fret on the A, and 5th fret on the D. We're going to pick E, A, D, A. Then we'll have open G, followed by D at the 5th fret again. So we've then got a little run. 3 on the E, 5 on the A, 5 on the E, 5 on the A. And that takes us back into the start of the riff, and we just repeat from there. A really cool little riff that plays in the solo and the outro section. I'm going to start off on the 3rd fret of the E, 3rd fret on the D, open G. We've then got this little run. Pull off 1 to open on the B, open G, 1st fret on the high E, back to open G. The second time through is the same, 3, 3, open. Then we have a slightly different riff. We go back to 3 on the low E, 2 pull off on the G to open, back to 3 on the D, open G. So good luck jamming along with this fantastic song. Thanks for watching this one. Happy practicing and take care.